Hello students, myself Zainab Nalwala and this is lesson number 3 of 9th standard SS. So lesson number 3 is about after effects of First World War. In lesson number 2 we studied what were the causes and effects of World War I. In this chapter we are going to study the events which happened after World War and which forced the emergence of Second World War. Okay, so here people lost their trust in democracy and dictatorship began in some countries, and hence Second World War was coming up. So main four events happened after the First World War. We'll study each one in detail. Fascism in Italy. So in the First World War, Italy was on the side of the winning nations and fought for those nations. After massive expenditure and even with the loss of soldiers' lives, the winning nations took over the choicest territories, and Italy was angry and frustrated because Italy wasn't given any of those choice to select the territories. So the Italian government considered war more than avenge this humiliation as soon as possible. So Benito Mussolini launched the fascist party. He adopted a bundle of sticks and eggs as his symbol for his party. Now here the fascism word is from Italian word fascismo, okay, which means absolute control over the state on all the things. Now Mussolini in this picture, he is Benito Mussolini and Hitler. So here Mussolini's maxim was one party, one leader. See, this is the symbol of their party, sticks tied up and X. Okay. The next is Mussolini joined hands with the League of Nations, that is Rome, Berlin, Tokyo Axis. In this pact, Italy played a very important role, and they even decided their volunteers, and the military training was given to them, and they wore black uniforms. Okay, so Italy was one of the reason which was responsible for the Second World War. Okay, these are the three leaders of the Rome, Berlin, Tokyo Axis. Okay, one party, one leader, Mussolini's maxim. The second point is Nazism in Germany. So Nazism in Germany had lost the First World War. It was economically ruined. Paris peace process did much wrong to Germany on the behalf of Treaty of Versailles. So Germany was extremely angry. Adolf Hitler joined the National Socialist German Workers' Party in 1990. This party came to be known as the Nazi Party. The Nazi philosophy included nationalism and socialism. After the death of the German president Hindenburg, Hitler assumed the post and established his dictatorial rule. So here, Nazi soldiers wore blue military uniform. The fascism, they had black uniform. Here they wore blue uniform and stuck a red strip on their shoulder and wore a symbol of swastika. See, this is the symbol of swastika. This is Hitler giving a speech. Okay. See, this is their uniform. If you can see clearly, here's a red band on their shoulder and their flag of swastika. Okay. So Hitler's authoritarian and militarist nature became obvious after coming to power. His main aim was the emergence of Germany as a major power. After all these losses, they wanted Germany to be remembered in the world as a major power. So for the purification of the German race, his policies were much different. Okay, exterminating Jews, gypsies, mentally challenged people. Okay. So by the Second World War, innumerable European Jews lost their lives, okay, which is known as Holocaust. Holocaust, see, this is a Holocaust survivor. Okay, so Hitler's expansionism and military action against neighboring countries, and the policy of this certain groups led to the Second World War, and this became the important reason. The next important reason is the militarism in Japan. Now, Japan left the Treaty of Versailles, left the Nations League, and Japan was quite displeased because Japan got only the benefit of the provinces of China, but England, France distributed all the regions of Germany. Okay, so Japan was displeased. So in the Washington meeting, Japan had to agree to have only 35% of the English and the American naval force. So Japanese youth was very angry, and during the elections at this time, the parties supported militarism and they got the majority. So military nationalism of Japan got the policy of expansionism. So Japan did not get a permanent place in the League of Nations. The Western countries could not stop the imperialist activities of Japan. Japan captured many cities such as Manchuria, Manchukuo government, and also it captured Korea, Mongolia, Shantung, and some provinces of China. So this improved the relationship between Germany and Italy and let lose its string of imperialism. So after the Emperor Meiji, Emperor Hirohito also encouraged this activity of Japan. Thus Japan snapped all the ties. Japan cut off all the ties with the League of Nations. Okay. This is a picture of Japanese and Hitler when they join hand. Okay. The next is the global depression, the fourth point. The global depression is the head of most of the European nations had the belief that with the end of the First World War, even the post-World War problems will be solved, will come to an end. But this proved wrong because a large number of shares began to be sold in the Wall Street stock market. Okay. So, see, this is a picture cutting of that Times newspaper. That Wall Street stock market causing the stock market to crumble. Okay, this was called the Wall Street crisis by the critics. 24th October 1929. It is clearly mentioned in your textbook. Okay, this crisis now shook the whole world, and the economic condition became very poor. This gave birth to the Great Global Depression. Depression in this sense, recession in the whole country, in the whole world. Okay, so most of the nations were affected. Even a superpower like Great Britain had to sacrifice the policy of keeping the gold reserve against its currency pound. Okay, so this affected the other nations and international trade, industry. Even the prosperous nations like America also had to impose strict measures. Okay, so the global trade was reduced to half. So this was a simple outline of how the World War II started. Okay. So this is the first part of our chapter. Okay, we'll discuss the next part later on. Thank you.